The new roller coaster replacing the now defunct Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit will in fact be an East Coast version of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. This will become the resort's tallest coaster when it opens next year at Universal Studios Florida. Plus, Supercharged has been confirmed to be closing in 2027 as well. Let's go over details from today's announcement, as well as recent construction and staged track sighted on site in today's news update. Officially closing back in August 2025, not only has Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit been completely demolished in that time since, but construction is well underway for its replacement. Coaster footings have been installed all throughout the new ride's layout, and just this month, steel has started to go up for the maintenance building. Universal Orlando has officially announced what attraction will be replacing the former ride, confirming what many expected. Despite fans holding out hope for either a Back to the Future or Ghostbusters coaster, the new ride will in fact be based on the Fast and Furious franchise. Universal says, Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift will put guests in the driver's seat of the high-speed thrills of Universal Pictures' Fast and Furious universe like never before. Riders will experience the exhilarating sensation of 360-degree drifting as they speed through jaw-dropping maneuvers, including a 170-foot vertical spike that will send riders nearly 17 stories in the air over the outskirts of Universal City Walk. At 170 feet, Hollywood Drift will become the tallest roller coaster at Universal Orlando, beating the former Rip Ride Rockit by 3 feet. That ride's vertical lift hill was 167 feet tall. The official announcement only saw the ride's logo revealed, with no renderings or other imagery. Despite the name remaining the same for this new Orlando version as the Hollywood iteration opening this year, these two rides will offer extremely different track layouts. As part of the announcement, Universal has confirmed that Fast and Furious Supercharged will be closing next year in 2027. However, they have not yet revealed what will be replacing it or when. This is similar to what happened when Hollywood announced their new coaster as well, which saw the closure of the Supercharged portion of the tram tour. Just yesterday, it seems as though the track for Orlando's new roller coaster was spotted staged across the street from Epic Universe. First discovered by Midway Mayhem, who posted a video on their channel, most of these first pieces of track appear silver in color, but might only be for sections inside of the maintenance building. The main track for this ride could be blue in color, which should help it not only differentiate it from the West Coast iteration, which is made up of black track, but also from Velocicoaster at Islands of Adventure next door. The manufacturer for the new coaster appears to be Intamin, which had long been rumored for this project. Recent official documents filed with Orange County show Intamin as the contractor for this project specifically. Checking in on recent construction progress via aerial photography from BioReconstruct, we can get a glimpse for how fast steel has been going up for the maintenance building. Located backstage behind the sound stages, this future structure already has footings inside for multiple maintenance spurs. Recent ground-level photos from Magic City Mayhem show how roofing slats have been added to the top of the maintenance structure's steel framing. Coaster footings leading to the station building have taken shape now. According to permit images, the new coaster's station building will be built here, directly behind the New York area of the park and right beside the building for Race Through New York starring Jimmy Fallon. Jumping to the City Walk side for this upcoming Fast and Furious coaster, work on footings has expanded with new foundations being added. These islands of foundations appear to contain yet even more footings that still need to be poured. This area will be home to the attraction's 170-foot-tall vertical spike. This dugout area, seen circled here, that contains conduit and connections running underground, will be the future site of a small utility building, according to planning documents. The next area to get coaster footings will be this skinny section of the footprint located between the theme park and the sound stages. Drilling can be seen happening here near the Music Plaza stage to prepare for these new footings to be installed. Inside of the park, the work walls around the area at the end of the New York street have been painted black. Exact dates or even times of the year for the opening of the new coaster or the closure of Supercharged were not announced as part of today's reveal. Universal Orlando only says 2027. Universal Studios Hollywood will see their version of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift open first this year, which has been testing continuously in recent weeks. Stay tuned to the channel for continuing coverage of this project, as well as permit information and rumors for the Supercharged replacement. If you like what we do, consider joining our Patreon for exclusive posts, early access, and more. Patreon.com/themeparkstop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.